ISTQB Foundation Level Question 500. What is the main purpose of impact analysis for testers? A. To determine the programming effort needed to make the changes. B. To determine what proportion of the changes need to be tested. C. To determine how much the planned changes will affect users. D. To determine how the existing system may be affected by changes. Take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to don't miss new ISTQB questions and answers that will help you guaranteed enhancing your skills. Join us on this learning journey. If you find value in that I do and my videos help you, then you have the option to donate through the links in the video description to I can release new videos on ISTQB questions on a regular basis. Correct answer is D. According to ISTQB glossary, impact analysis is a key part of maintenance testing and regression testing. It helps testers identify dependencies, affected areas, and potential risks in the system. The goal is to ensure that changes do not introduce new defects or break existing functionality. Impact analysis helps testers understand the risk of changes and what areas might be unintentionally affected, regression risks. It helps in designing test scope, planning regression testing, and ensuring system stability. All the rest of the answers are wrong. Answer A is not correct, because this option is more relevant to developers or project managers, not testers. Testers focus on evaluating the impact of changes on the system's functionality and quality, rather than estimating programming effort. Answer B is not correct, because impact analysis helps identify areas that need testing. Its main goal is broader, evaluating how changes may affect the entire system. It also includes identifying potential side effects beyond just the areas directly changed. Answer C is not correct, because user impact is part of business analysis, not impact analysis. Business analysts or product owners are usually responsible for assessing the direct user impact. Impact analysis is primarily about system functionality, dependencies, and regression risks. My recommendation: please remember impact analysis and maintenance testing to pass STFL exam. Explanation. Finally, let's look at the ISTQB glossary definition. Impact analysis is the identification of all work products affected by a change, including an estimate of their resources needed to accomplish the change. This is consistent with the correct answer D. I think this question is not difficult for you if you watch my video channel for absolutely free, only for subscribe. You could move mountains to achieve your dream. Don't stop, never give up.